Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Before we jump into today's blowout, I just wanted to show you the dried result of my cute little guitar. I love it. Hopefully you guys can see some of the shimmer. It's not varnished yet, but it dried so good. I'm obsessed. I absolutely love these. Anyway, you can get the blanks on my website, which is www.ericahughesart.com. This is what you'll get. Birch ply. It's very nice. You can get the rounds on my site as well. But anyway, enough of that. Let's paint. I'm in the mood to do a blowout with, what do we have? Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam. We have, oh, and into that I added some quinacridone Violet Triart by Triart. And that is like a liquid acrylic. So I added that. And it's gorgeous color. Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. And then we have Athena by This Little Piggy Pigments. What else do we have? Titanium. Oh, Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. And a 22-inch birch ply round on my spinner. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this and then we'll start painting. And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. I'll stick on some music. All right, bye. Okay, so here we have it. I have it off my spinner. I put it on my Molly stands. I think it turned out gorgeous. See if I can get in and show you some shimmer. There it is there. So that's the Athena by this little piggy. Throw in some gold. Gorgeous. I'm trying to step away from the blues. However, you know, next video I'm sure it'll be blue. But yeah, it turned out gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. I do like the titanium buff light background or negative space. Let me know what you think of these blowouts on the rounds. I love them. They're a lot of fun to do. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. And like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Helps us out here on YouTube. Subscribe, all that jazz. And I will talk to you guys soon. Alright, bye.